Hi, I would like to show you the new features which I added in my latest update to my Python cable tray app. This is the 1.19 version. Uh, Actually, this update was, I think, long awaited by some of you because several times I got the request to add this feature. So from now on it is possible to flip the side profiles of the cable trays. So by default all cable trays what you can create are having outward facing U profiles on the sides, and this was the only option available. You couldn't flip it. So from now on it is possible. So you just, here are the main parameters of this cable tray. So this is the new thing here, that B1 can be a negative value. So if I just enter -31 here, theoretically it should work. Yeah. So from now on it can be flipped, and I will show you for this cross also that if I enter -31, let's say, here too, it will flip. So from now on you can mirror the side profiles and you can create these type of cable trays more realistically. This flipping is only available for ladder type cable trays for now. This was this short information, short update. Thank you for watching and bye bye.